There are now thousands of AI tools available, and new ones are released almost every single day. So how do you know which one is actually worth using? Instead of spending hours searching Google, there's one website that does all the hard work for you. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use this website to discover the best AI tools for writing, creating images, for making videos, coding, marketing, business, and much more. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to find the perfect AI tool for almost any specific task. But before I do continue, please like, subscribe, and share. This specific website is the largest AI discovery platform online, bringing together thousands of AI tools in one searchable directory. Rather than building AI software itself, it curates and organizes tools by category, use case, and popularity, making it easier to discover software for work, creativity, education, and business. It also offers AI learning resources and courses alongside the directory. Let's take a look around. So this page here, I'm in the different categories section. So if I wanted to find productivity tools, I can do by going here. If I wanted to find video editors or video generation tools, I can choose this category here. Text generation, business tools, image generation, automation with workflows and AI agents, art generators, audio generators, miscellaneous AI tools, AI code tools as well. So let me scroll back to the top. And I think productivity is huge, regardless of what you're doing, which industry you're in. You want to save time. So let's check out all the AI productivity tools here. If I click on that, it will take you to this page here. So if I scroll down, they've got some trending training courses from this website here, which you can access. But down here, you've got your different categories for different productivity tools. You've got the personal assistant section here, you've got the research section here, you've got the spreadsheet section here, translator section, presentation section, email assistant, search engine. So everything's broken down into the specific different categories. But the other good thing about it is, say if we have a look at presentation AI tools, it tells you what that tool is going to be. So is it a freemium tool? Is it a paid tool? Is it a free tool? Totally free for you to use. Now, if I want to check for other presentation AI specific tools, all I need to do from this website is click on presentations here. It will take you to this page. You scroll down and it will give you a plethora of different presentation tools. But if you just want to filter on the free tools there, if you click on filters here, click on free, and apply the filters, it should only bring back the free presentation AI tool. So you've got two here, Power Mode AI and Create Fast AID. So if I clear the filter again, just click on clear filter, it should bring back all of them again. Let me go back a page, go to the top, click on AI tools. Now here, let's check for video tools here, AI video tools. If I click on AI video tools there, scroll down, you've got your training courses related to AI video tools. But let's have a look at some of these tools it's brought back. So you've got groups now, video enhancer tools here, video editing tools here, video generators here. I think that's a very common section. Text to video, another common section there. I'm going to check out video generators and text to video generators. Let me click on video generators and I want to scroll down and filter to find the free ones. So Civit AI, Desgo, Google Earth Studio, Higgsfield, Noisy AI, Angem AI, Biggle AI are all free. So you can check those out. If I go back a page again, let's check out text to video now. and I'm going to filter to find the free ones again. So Anjum AI, I'm going to check this one out later on to see what you can do with this one, because this was in both the different categories. So you can check those out, and if you want freemium, click on filter, and actually let's check out the freemium ones. And those are the freemium ones. Genmo, Runway, I've heard a lot about. You got different ones there that you can check out. Okay, so yeah, let me go back to this one here, this section, and let's check out some automation tools. So down here you've got the courses, but down here you've got all the different workflow tools. I'm going to check the workflow area, go down to filters to find the free ones. Why pay money? Auto GTP, GPT even, GPT Go, Cronda AI Pathfinder, if it allows you to do workflows or automate your workflows, check these out as well. But you can see very quickly it's just got a huge list, a directory of different tools here. AI agents, let me filter by free, and you've got all the different free AI agents that you're able to use on this website. So there's a plethora of different tools that you can use. Let's say I want to upskill myself with courses. So up here, you've got AI courses. Click on that. There is a free trial, unfortunately, with the courses, but please do check out the AI tools. And you're probably wondering, what is this website called? Which allows you to access all these AI tools in one place as a directory. And the website is called futurepedia.io. So if you want to check it out, please do check it out. They're not sponsoring this video. It's something I found as I was surfing the internet, and I thought it'd be really nice to share this with you as well. So why I like Futurepedia, everything's organized. New AI tools get added regularly, and it's much quicker than searching Google for me. And you can discover alternative software, and it covers almost every AI category imaginable. So that's how to use Futurepedia. Instead of wasting time searching dozens of websites, you can use just that one directory to discover AI tools for almost any task. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.